Alice's first day adventure. Alice, are you ready for your first day of school? Mom asked with a big smile as they walked to the colorful school gate. Alice looked at the towering building, her tummy fluttering like a butterfly. But what if nobody wants to be my friend? She whispered. Just then, a cheerful voice piped up. Hi, I'm Mia. Want to try the swing together? Alice's eyes widened. Swing? Like flying through the air? That sounds fun. On the swing, Alice giggled as Mia pushed her higher. Friends help us feel brave, Mia said. You can be brave too. Next, they joined a group playing with a giant ball. Alice hesitated, then passed the ball to a smiling boy. Catch, she said, her voice a little stronger. Great pass, Alice, the boy cheered. Suddenly, Alice felt like she belonged. At snack time, Alice shared her cookies, and the kids shared their stories. Everyone feels shy sometimes, Mia said, but trying is the first step to friendship. By the end of the day, Alice was laughing and making plans to play again tomorrow. I was scared, but now I know friends are just a hello away, she grinned. See, you're a friendship explorer now, Mom said, as they walked home hand in hand.